Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with yet another version of chains and shells used to form beautiful pattern. This is chains and shells galore pattern 2. In this the shells are made with DC chain 1, DC 3 times and DC. So there will be 4 DCs separated by 3 chain 1 spaces. That is a shell that we are going to use here, and the rest of the work is with chains and SCs. Okay. To make this particular pattern we require multiples of 8 plus 3 as the foundation chains, and this particular piece I worked with dark pink 100% premium acrylic anti-pill yarn, Aran yarn with medium weight 4 and color code 2031. Okay, so let me get back to you with the required number of chains. With my 5.5 mm clover hook, the foundation chains are made with this 5.5 mm and the main work I will be working with 4.5 mm. Okay. I have made 2 repeats of 8 plus 3, 19 chains. To begin with, single crochet in the 5th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Chain 3, skip 3 and in the 4th chain make a single crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip 3 and 4th chain make a single crochet. This is the stitch repeat for this particular row all across. Till last 2 chains are left. Chain 3, skip 3, single crochet in the 4th. Chain 3, skip 3, single crochet in the next. So continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end here. I am left with last 2 chains. So to make the stitch here, chain 1, skip 1 and make the half double crochet in the very last stitch. And this I had never started with a slip knot, I just started with the same chain. So I am going to pull it up and tighten it. So this completes my first row. Row 1 is a foundation row. For row 2, chain 1 and turn. Place a single crochet in the very first stitch. That is very first HDC. Now chain 1 and in the next you are going to make the shell. The shell comprises of DC chain 1 3 times and a DC. So let me make the first one and show. Double, chain 1, double, chain 1, double, chain 1 3 times over and 1 double. So this is the shell that we are going to use here, and then chain 1 single crochet in the next chain 3 loop. Chain 1 single crochet in the next chain 3 loop. Again chain 1, make a shell here. DC chain 1, DC chain 1 3 times, DC chain 1 3 times and DC. I shall get back to you. Come to the last leg, chain 1 and place a single crochet in the last stitch here, the turning chain. For row 3, chain 4 counts as 1 DC and chain 1. Instead, let me make my favorite turning twisted turn it standing DC and chain 1. Skip the next chain 1 space here and single crochet in the next chain 1 space. Chain 3. Skip the next single chain 1 space and single crochet in the next chain 1 space. Chain 3. Now you are going to skip 2 chain 1 spaces, this and this, this and this, and make a single crochet in the chain 1 space between the first and the second DCs of the next shell. Chain 3. Skip the next chain 1 space and make a single crochet in the next. Chain 3. And place a double crochet in the last stitch here. Sorry, here the last stitch it's going to be, we began the row with DC chain 1, hence we have to end the row with chain 1 and DC. So after the single crochet here, chain 1 and place here double the last stitch. This completes row 2, row 3. This is a complete set of 1 repeat of pattern. So rows 2 and 3 are the pattern repeat rows. Again, repeat pattern rows, pattern, that is instructions for row 2 and 3 to the desired length of your project, and this gives a beautiful effect, and it can be made into summer stoles, scarves, and what other projects that you like. Even it can be used for your wearables. Thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do post your queries and comments in the comments section. Please do subscribe to our Magic Needles channel. Do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you will be notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Please do like and share too. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video, friends. Bye for now. Have a great day.